guys? So today we're working on Emily's rabbit, or the Static Heroes rabbit. My brain got to me last night and this morning because I looked at other builds, and one of the guys I followed for a long time on my personal page, Nick Chelko, I'll tag him, I'll put him in here. I'll even put some of the photos of what we're thinking about doing. But I think we're gonna body drop this thing, so it's gonna be a lot of work, but it doesn't run right now. And we're trying to have a booth car ready by the 20th. So it gives me 20 days to take the motor out, take the interior out, and cut the floor out, and then put the floor back in. So it's gonna be a lot of work, but I think we're gonna do it. I don't think it's gonna be too bad. So hang out when we get this done. Alright guys, so car's in the air. We've been under this car before. Basically what I'm going to be doing, as we talked about before, someone's already fucked up these pinch rails, so we're not too worried about those. But the plan is going to be to basically cut from the pinch rail to the pinch rail and on this back body line for the tub of the inside of the car, and cut the whole floor out. But we're going to be doing more than that. But we're going to be doing more than just cutting the floor out. Once I pull this motor out, we're going to be cutting the firewall and all of the control arm stuff out as well. And we're going to move all of it up and reinforce it all. So I just wanted to get down here and see how much we need to do, what we got to measure, and we'll go from there. One more, okay? That's all the way up. Now I'm not going to hit my head. Still recording? Mm-hmm. Okay. Can you still see under the car pretty good?
Yeah. Just, it was kind of in it, so I was trying to tan it.
Okay, that's all right. I appreciate that. So basically, what we're going to get into is we need to cut from, let me say, we're going to do this and we'll add to it. From there, actually no, I don't know if that's where I want to do that. Let me go from here. Stop! We're going to go from here. So we need 4 feet of some square tubing. So we really need 8 feet. I don't think I have that. I'm going to have to go buy that. But it's a start. So we need 8 feet that way. 4 feet that way too. So we need 16 feet of some metal. So now we got that, I think we're going to set it on the ground and start taking the motor out. Alright, so we're going to start taking this motor out. We're going to be nice and gentle with it because we do care about it. The block, I was told, is not good, but all the parts connected to it are good. This car had AC. What? That is so cool. That makes me want to keep the blower motor in there. But we're gonna start taking this motor out so we can get in here and see what all we're gonna have to do what I want to do to it. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse and we're gonna get to it. So I'm out here recording in the shop and I got the girls being my camera girls, and I hear my phone buzzing because it was just on time-lapse mode. Emily's calling me. There's a bird inside. What the fuck? Had to go get the bird, but we're back to working on the car. Not too humid, not too hot today. Still dying. But look, we got half the Mark 1 diesel motor out, which is fucking sick. Sorry, I'm using the new gimbal. I haven't held it like this yet, so. But yeah, got the motor out. Let me flip you around. So boom, motor's out. So now I'm gonna get this out of the way, and the start of this project really begins. Because now we need to get it outside, pressure wash the engine bay, which is nasty dirty. Pressure wash the engine bay, finish taking out most of the stuff, actually. Not much is gonna be left in there. Let's put this car down so we can see it better. All right, so as you can see, it's not very clean in there. It was a diesel and it leaked oil, so we need to get most of this stuff taken out. I'm gonna pressure wash it beforehand. And then we gotta start taking all the brake booster, all this wiring, at least getting it out of the way, because we are going to cut. See that straight piece from that side to that side? I believe we're gonna cut right there and down all the way around all this, all the steering and axle stuff. We're gonna cut that all out. Same with the floor. So I wanna get it clean in there so I can get an idea. And then we're gonna have to go inside the car and pull the interior. That's the part I'm not really excited for. So yeah, we got a lot done today. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. We have plans tonight, so I'm probably not working on this anymore tonight unless it's when we get back. But that'll do for this video. So thanks for watching. If you stuck through the whole thing, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. We sell stickers, Static Euro stickers. I'll put my link to my Instagram for Static Euros in here. And then we're gonna be doing apparel here pretty soon too, which is pretty dope. So if you like it, hit a like, check the links, message me if you want stickers. I can cut normal stickers too. I can basically cut whatever you want. So you tell me what you want, we'll make it happen. Thanks for checking out the video. Have a good night.